When it comes to building a fundable business, your foundation is everything. Without a strong base, achieving financial success can be a challenge. Your business's foundation is the bedrock of your fundability. This includes having the right entity structure, maintaining consistent and accurate information across all platforms, and ensuring your business is properly set up with the credit bureaus. Without these elements in place, even the best business plan can struggle to get off the ground. A strong foundation for fundability includes business address, a physical address, not a P.O. box, that is consistent across all documents and profiles. Business entity. Ensure your business is legally structured as an LLC, corporation, or another suitable entity. Foreign filing. You must have a proper registration in states where your business operates outside its original filing state. Ownership. Clear and documented ownership structure. EIN, Employer Identification Number, a unique identifier issued by the IRS for your business. This is free and can be acquired after you create your entity. Business phone, a dedicated business phone number listed in directories and listed consistently across all platforms and applications. Website and email, a professional business website and email address associated with your domain. Business licenses, all necessary licenses and permits required for your industry. Merchant account, a merchant account to process credit card transactions. Business industry, accurate classification of your business industry, typically identified by your NAICS code. If your business foundation is weak, such as having inconsistent information or an inappropriate entity structure, it can lead to major challenges in securing financing, building credit, and gaining the trust of lenders. This lack of credibility can make it difficult to grow your business and take advantage of new opportunities. To ensure your foundation supports strong fundability, start by reviewing your business structure and making sure it's appropriate for your goals. Regularly audit your business information to ensure it's consistent across all platforms and verify that your credit profiles with the major bureaus are accurate and up to date. These steps will help you build a strong, fundable business ready for growth. In our next video, we'll explore the challenges that arise when you don't focus on fundability and how you can overcome them. Stay tuned.